Professor Hoot?
That Foxy is a what?
It travelers tells Han be careful. Maybe there is something ahead, Thunder.
What's that shiny thing?
That's a two-look Waffy's traffic signs. It tends one from both quickly.
Professor Husset little signs, tense drivers thars.
That, Foxy, is a warning sign. It tells travelers to be careful. Maybe there's danger ahead. And from that moment, Foxy decided to learn them all.
Hold on. What is that?
It's a red circle with a line through it. I wonder what that means.